and today I'm going to talk you through using the foam roller. So last week David gave us some really great stretches for releasing your ITB and TFL, which are muscles that sit right on the top of your hip, and basically we have connective tissue that comes and runs right down the side of your leg and into your knee. So these structures can get really, really tight, and often it can lead to tightness and feeling of soreness in your hips, but also down into your knee. So what I'm going to use today is what's called a foam roller. So obviously the one that I have is quite large, but you can get different sizes and you can pick them up from lots of different sporting stores. So basically it's kind of like having a massage therapist in your pocket. It's really convenient and a really great way to release through sore muscles if you've been doing any extra exercise or things like that over the weekend. So what I'm going to do, the first where I usually start is coming and lying down onto your side, and you want to have your hip bone just sitting over the foam roller here. And bring your leg in front, and I'm just rolling, so my hip bone's here, and then I'm just rolling up, releasing through those muscles there. So you start out working on the side. So this one gets all of your gluteal muscles. And then what I like to do is come, so I'm sitting on the foam roller, cross my leg over, and then you're going to lean towards the side where you've crossed your leg. And just using the foam roller, gently rolling over your gluteal muscles there. Coming down to the side again. So this is also a really great way to release your piriformis muscle, which can be really helpful if you're experiencing any sciatic pain. So the last thing is just to release through the side of your leg. So what we're doing here is we aren't actually stretching the connective tissue, we're going to help release through the muscles that sit underneath that area. So just coming onto your side, and now you're going down below your hip and just rolling up and down. So you can lean a little further to the front to get a bit more through your quadriceps, or you can lean further to the back to get more through your hamstrings. So there you go. Those are my favorite 3 ways to release through your gluteal muscles and through your ITB, so if you're getting any hip or knee pain. If you have any questions or if you'd like any more information or tips on using a foam roller, please just give us a call. Thanks guys.